In the high-octane world of MotoGP, where speed and precision are paramount, every rider knows the risks they take. Crashes are a harsh reality, reminding us of the immense courage these athletes possess. MotoGP is the premier class of motorcycle racing, featuring the best riders and machines in the world. The sport is thrilling, exciting, and sometimes dangerous, as riders push the limits of speed and skill on the track. Crashes are inevitable, and some of them are spectacular, scary, or memorable. Here are the top MotoGP crashes from 2010 to 2023. Number 10. Valentino Rossi 2010 Mugello 2010. The legendary Valentino Rossi encounters a devastating high-speed crash during practice. A broken leg ensues, reshaping the championship that year. Number 9. Marc Marquez 2011 Sepang. Then a Moto2 competitor, Marquez suffers a tremendous fall in practice. Vision issues arise, sidelining the future champ for the season's remainder. Number 8. Casey Stoner 2012 Indianapolis 2012. Casey Stoner's bike slides out from under him. With a fractured ankle, Stoner's resilience shines as he races the next day. Number 7. Marc Marquez 2013 Mugello once more. This time in 2013, Marquez faces a bone-chilling 337.9 km/h crash during practice, emerging miraculously unscathed. Number 6. Jorge Lorenzo 2013 Assen 2013. Rain proves a formidable adversary for Lorenzo, leading to a collarbone fracture. Yet, days post-surgery, he returns, finishing an unbelievable 5th. Number 5. Valentino Rossi and Marc Marquez 2015 Sepang 2015. Tensions flare. Rossi and Marquez collide in a controversial duel, igniting a fierce debate on track etiquette. Number 4. Andrea Dovizioso and Johann ZARCO 2020 Austrian GP 2020. ZARCO and Dovizioso's paths cross dramatically. ZARCO's bike nearly collides with Vinales, reminding us of the sport's inherent dangers. Number 3. Marc Marquez 2020 Jerez 2020. Marquez's season opener takes a nightmarish turn. A humorous fracture follows a horrifying crash, challenging the champ's entire season. Number 2. Marc Marquez 2021 Portimao 2021. Marquez, freshly back from recovery, tastes the tarmac once again during practice, a testament to the challenges of the sport. Number 1. Jorge Martinez 2022 Indonesian. The crash happened on lap 15 of the race when Marquez clipped Martinez's rear wheel and crashed into Oliveira at turn 3. Marquez suffered a compound fracture of his right arm and underwent surgery. The world of MotoGP is one of relentless passion and unpredictable turns. It celebrates not just victories, but the spirit of every rider who dares to push the envelope, to the champions in every sense of the word. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.